literally exploiting people who are already successful. Now, you see, for the past year or so, a group of online marketers have quietly been making small fortunes by doing this. However, they have a serious problem. It takes 8 to 10 hours daily of manual work just to make $700 a week. That requires tons of research. You need serious organizational skills, and it's definitely not newbie friendly. So we decided to do something about it. Introducing Piggyback Payday, the software and training that pays you to capitalize on the success of others. Now, with Piggyback Payday, here's what those same bullet points look like. It takes 1 hour daily to make $691 a week. The software does all the research for you. The software organizes everything for you, and no experience is needed. So how does it work? We're going to piggyback off of so-called Instagram influencers. An IG influencer has thousands of followers on Instagram, and they almost blindly follow whatever they say. And that's where our method comes in. We're going to show you how to quickly and easily get those influencers to promote your products. And it's way easier than that probably sounds. And don't worry if you don't have a product right now, we've got you covered. Now, once your influencer does the promo for you, your PayPal account can start blowing up almost instantly. That's the power of this method. Just the other day, our partner Jay, that's him in the photo, he spent just 30 minutes with the software doing this process. And here's a screenshot of his account the following day. It's not a fortune, but it's still $295 for working half an hour. It's not too bad. And that's actually less money than what he usually makes. 1 hour inside the software generally gets Jay around $700. Imagine what you could make if you went through our training and started doing this for just an hour a day. Now, the Piggyback software and training is brand new, and it has never been done before quite like this, meaning this market is unsaturated. There are still thousands of Instagram influencers just waiting to make you money. My advice is, don't leave all that money on the table.